a product called Project Maker, where individuals can collaborate as teams virtually. They will be in different places, but they get to become a team or a group, and they work on a project. And there is a lot of research, there is writing, they go through the whole process. And we ran a competition called Armageddon. We called it Armageddon because pandemic was at that point in time peaking, and it had covered the entire world. So, it almost felt like, well, will it be the end of the world kind of thing. So, we called it Armageddon. Children from different schools participated in it, and they won prizes, etc. So, we have been doing these competitions, and I should add, we did a competition on entrepreneurship recently, which was very exciting to see different teams of children who came up with creative ideas and came and made a presentation, a pitch. It was called a pitch fest. Made a pitch about a business idea, and at a school level, that quality of pitch was a very pleasant surprise. So, we have been trying to occupy their mind space by doing these things in addition to the remote lectures.